Welcome to our channel. In this episode, we hike to the Chimneys in Linville Gorge in North Carolina. The trailhead is accessed at the Table Rock Mountain parking area, which is approximately a 7.5-mile drive on Table Rock Road. This road is winding, narrow, and primarily gravel. Oddly enough, right before reaching the parking area, it does become paved. The hike to the Chimneys is only about 3/4 of a mile along the trail to Shortoff Mountain. The hike to the Chimneys is a ridge trail, and the elevation gain is around 350 feet. The trail started off easy, the path was fairly wide, and we enjoyed seeing the changing leaves. The colors were more vibrant on this trail when compared to the Hawksbill Trail that we had completed earlier in the day. The Hawksbill Trailhead is also located off of Table Rock Road and offers an incredible 360 view at the top. We will put a link to that hike video in the description below. Eventually, the trail to the Chimneys did become more narrow. We do want to mention that because it is a ridge trail, it does lead to cliff areas like this. There are also several boulders that can be accessed at your own risk. We visited the Linville Gorge area the second week in October. Now this video only includes GoPro footage of the hike and a few lookouts, but we are working on vlog episodes from the whole trip. If you're interested in seeing more footage from Linville Gorge or hearing more about our experiences in Chimney Rock State Park, the Smoky Mountains, and in Asheville, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on so you won't miss an episode. The first 2 vlog episodes have already been released, so we'll make sure to put links to those videos in the description below as well. Here's another view along the way on the trail. From this lookout, you can see the area known as the Chimneys. This was the area of the hike that was really fun for us. The trail leads up, over, around, and through giant rock formations. We ended up following the trail a little further past the Chimneys and found a rock climbing crag. Since we didn't have our rock climbing gear, we followed the trail a little longer. If we had more time, we could have followed the trail all the way to Shortoff Mountain. We heard from multiple people that Shortoff is one of the best views in all of Linville Gorge. Since Shortoff was still several miles down the trail, we turned around to explore more around the Chimneys. Check out some of these views, they were pretty incredible. We wish we had more time to explore these chimneys. If you enjoyed the hiking footage to the Chimneys, make sure to watch next week's vlog episode. It will include even more amazing views from this area.
Going back down the way we came up. You see there's a path, I think you can get to that one too. Over there to the left. So we need to be heading back now, but Skylar really wants to go up this one too.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you next time.